Hey y'all, it's Federica and I'm back again with another video. This video is basically me doing different styles with this curly bang because I know y'all probably like, what can she even do with that besides wear it down? But baby, I could do more than that. So we're just gonna get straight into this video. Let's go. Hey y'all, it's Federica and I'm back again. Oh no, she don't. Oh no, she don't. Oh no, she don't. Straight to this video, and this hair is from Elva Wigs. I got this months ago and I'm gonna put the link in the description. So yeah, if y'all want me to sponsor, ma'am. Anyway, so hold up. Anyway, so we're just going to do this video, and yeah, if y'all want to keep watching me and stuff, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, because I'm finna upload all the time. I'm not playing no games. Like, I'm not. I've been saying this, but now I'm like, at first I wasn't in the mood to record, now I am. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So just watch this video. Don't forget, just subscribe, follow me on Instagram, all that gonna be in the link gonna be down below. So yeah, I'm not even gonna talk no more. So first, I'm not gonna do the afro look because it's real puffy right now, and I gotta keep it puffy for the next thing. So y'all know how, just click the other link in my bio to watch how I cut it and I had it down. So now I'm gonna do some other stuff. So that's my first style, so I'm gonna put that in the video. But yeah. Do different styles with this hair. It's cute. This cute. Okay, for me to have like a bun or whatever, I use the hairpin on this side. You can't really tell, like, you know, it look real. That's the whole gist, to want it to look real. So yeah, so we're just gonna put a hairpin on both sides of the hair, because I'm not finna glue it in the back or nothing. I'm not putting glue on it all because I don't feel like having to go through all of that. My camera died, so I'm finna record this. Don't mind it. I don't know what's going on with me. I'm breaking down. But anyway, this is the last style. I mean, it's something cute, simple, you know. You want it to look like your real hair, so you just... I mix, baby. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Freddie.May and Mr. And my Twitter is Drinkalove12. I'm doing a giveaway soon, so stay tuned. Bye, y'all. Love y'all. See you on my next video. Bye. You got it, girl. You got it.